Arlan, thank you for joining me today. We're going to be talking about As-Built, and as team leader, can you tell me what are the steps that you take in starting to work with a new client?
It will start by an email introduction followed by a video conference call to formally meet and discuss the project and its requirements. Things that normally is being discussed are like project scope of works, specific CAD software and version requirements, project timeline or duration, and other client-specific requirements.
That's quite a lot to get through. How do you find the clients react to all of those questions?
With regards to clients' questions, also we have a process flow charts for that one, so they can really understand.
That's really good. And which clients have you done work for?
So projects to both local and international clients, such as DBS, NDY, Perdon, to name a few.
Okay, so they are pretty good clients. How do you manage the quality control when you are working with these prestigious clients?
For that, we have a quality control. So Forsspac QA/QC process requires several steps starting with the originator who do the work. Once the work is done, she will highlight the markups and our instructions with a color highlighter to signify that has been done on the drawing. A checker will then be checked to ensure all informations are accurate and will also highlight the markups with a different color. Once everything is assured, correct and in order, it goes to submission, to which our document control will process and transmit it to the client, closing down the task.
Okay, so meaning we have a document controller on board for the project.
Yes. With regards to document control, Forsspac has an assigned and dedicated document control for every client, and they are tasked to handle incoming and outgoing correspondences and document recording filings.
When you are doing as-builts, do you work in 2D or 3D?
These dependent on the client or project requirements. Forsspac can work both 2D and 3D platforms.
So when you are using 3D, do you use the BIM 360 platform?
Yes, we do use BIM 360 platform, especially right now during the days of the pandemic, because mostly they're using online. So we're using for that Autodesk as like softwares, CAD softwares such as AutoCAD and Revit, Recap Pro, and then Bentley's MicroStation. But for the BIM 360, mostly it's Revit.
Okay, do you find the markup tools within the Revit platform useful?
Yes, it is useful.
Does that mean that you can share very quickly with the clients their markups and feedback if there are issues?
Absolutely, because in terms of cloud using the Revit BIM 360, they can automatically check whether the client considered it like appreciate it, it's done, or using by accessing the BIM 360 software.
Well, Arlan, thank you very much for talking with me today. I enjoyed learning a bit more about the as-built process at Forsspac, so thank you very much indeed.
Yeah, thank you also.